From sunlight to solar energy, technology empowers light with greater value, injects strong impetus into social development. Kseng, following the path of light, exploring the mysteries of light, dreaming skyward, and rooting ourselves in the earth as the foundation to support global energy transition and zero-carbon development. From international solar racking and tracking systems manufacturer to one-stop solutions provider for solar system, Kseng becomes the solid backbone behind every ray of sunlight, converting more sunlight into electricity that powers the path towards our dream. Through every step of the journey, Kseng has been moving forward without any breaks. Faced with a rapidly changing market, we are always fearless in our exploration and use sunlight to illuminate a vast world of our own. As we become the backbone of sunlight, Kseng also has our own backbone. We extend our reach to every corner of the world with one customer service. By pushing boundaries, we generate infinite value to drive more sunlight into clean energy and empower the world's energy transformation. Guided by an innovative spirit, we explore the future direction. With first-class management team and technical experts, we constantly challenging technological boundaries, creating unlimited possibilities for the future of the industry. We leverage our manufacturing strength to satisfy market demand. Each production line features intelligent manufacturing with maximum efficiency. Each process is precisely controlled to ensure a superior quality. The efficient functioning of our smart factory and relentless pursuit of excellence, giving Kseng a distinct competitive edge in the global marketplace. We are the backbone of sunlight, bringing our solutions to every corner of the world. In the grassy plains, in the high mountains, in the cities, in the countryside, Kseng, facing the sunlight and opening its arms to receive the gift of energy that arrives from over 150 million kilometers away, propelling the energy transformation and upgrading in the new era. The journey toward greenness requires strong support. Kseng is moving forward with steady strides, transforming energy with technology wherever it is needed, empowering our world with clean energy.